Welcome to JP Morgan Chase Investment Banking Virtual Internship Task 2. All the required documents are there in the PDFs, and we need to present a PPT to our client. The first PDF is about Happy Hour Company, which we selected for our M&A activity. The PDF contains information about the company, its strength, brand offering, shareholders, and etc. The second PDF contains information about the bidding procedure, like at what time the bidding will start and end, what are the requirements, and all the information needed for a successful bidding process. There is a PPT file given, and you needed to fill information in that PPT based on the information provided in the PDFs. When you completed the PPT, just upload it in the task and you will successfully completed it. For reference, I have provided the PPT in my GitHub account. Link in description. Please download it from there. Please read all the information in the PDFs carefully, as it will enable you to fill out the boxes provided in the PPT. You can easily find overview and shareholder information about Happy Hour Company, which you need to fill in the PPT. Relatively easy. In overview, you can mention Happy Hour Company brands, their region of operation, and where next they are thinking of expanding their market, their strengths, and etc. A simple overview about the company will suffice. Next is their shareholders. You can present it in a table, but for rich visual experience, it's better present in other forms. I used a pie chart here. Note down the data, you will need it later. Go to Insert, Charts, and select Pie Chart. Insert your data in the fields, and your pie chart will be ready. Adjust the visuals of the pie charts accordingly. Read the financial of the Happy Hour Company and make a table out of it and insert it in the key financial of the company, like the revenue of the company for the financial year 18, 19, and 20. Calculate the year-on-year growth percentage out of it. EBITDA is also given, which is basically earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. They have also given segment-wise EBITDA for a financial year. You need to calculate EBITDA margin, which EBITDA divided by total revenue and multiplied by 100. NPAT, which stands for net profit after tax, and also calculate its margin, which is NPAT divides by revenue and multiplied by 100. Indicative valuation is also provided in the PDF. Just write it down in a table. The next slide in the PPT is about your bidding process. When will it start, when it will end, and all the crucial information related to a successful bidding option. It is divided into two parts. Part 1, your initial bidding phase, and Part 2, your final bidding phase. Read the PDF about the bidding process and fill it in the PPT slide. After completion of the PPT, upload it in the Task 2 and your task will be completed. I have attached the PPT in the GitHub account for your reference. Thanks for watching. If you think it's helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.